Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Let's bench test a starter today. What I got here today is a starter for a GM 153. It's used in one of our Hyster forklifts. So let's bench test it. I just received this starter in yesterday. What I got to set up here today, I have a jump box, just a automotive jump box. I have a on-off switch here. Got our starter. So my setup here, I have the battery positive cable. This is the positive cable. It goes to the biggest terminal post on the starter. I already got it on there. But the biggest terminal post is where the positive lead from the jump box attaches to, and then the black lead, the negative lead, attaches to the starter body, and that's where it's going to ground. So I just attached it to the body of the starter, and the switch here is going to act as the key on an ignition switch. So all it's going to do is I have the red lead hooked up to the positive pulse, because now it's gonna use the 12 volts coming from the jump box. Then it goes to the switch. Right now it's in the off position. Once I turn it on, it's gonna then transfer 12 volts through the switch to this end, and then it's gonna terminate to the S terminal. And the S terminal is smaller. The S terminal is for the solenoid. Solenoid is a magnet. Once this energizes, the magnet's going to pull back, and then there's a set of contacts in here. It will then transfer electrical current flow from the battery positive pulse down to this pulse, and then the starter will then receive the electrical current to start it. There's a smaller pulse on the other side. This pulse right here, that is the R terminal, and that's for a ballast resistor, but I don't use that, and I won't go into detail with that because it's not being utilized. All right, so this setup is ready. Let's give it a go. It works. There you have it. Bench tested our starter. Confirmed it is in good working condition. Should be able to install it with no problem. Thank you, and thanks for stopping by.